Get it. Oh no. So come up here. Come up here and just Kaya, get the ball. Kaya. Get the ball.
Yeah, take out the jumps.
Get the ball. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
So yeah, she just needed to be made to jump.
So now just bring her back here. And I think having two is going to be fine for her when she gets it. I almost still feel that we should have this on this side. Because then she feels open to go this way. And just send her a few times. Get the ball. Here. Close. Actually, the closer. I think the closer until she gets it.
Ready? Hey. No, not yet. Here, wait. Kaya. Here. Ready? Get the ball.
Jump. Yes, good girl.
Oh.
See, she's so big, this is still too close.
Yeah, you need to back it up.
There we go. Got it. Okay. We should just have it
Okay, ready? Around. You ready? Get the ball.
Jump. Yes.
Nice.
Okay, that was good. Good girl. Right,
She
let's
jumped.
get in right away. Yes. Yes. Good girl, Kaya.
Here. Get the ball.
Jump. Yes, good girl. Good girl. That's such a huge improvement. Here, one more. So when she's less afraid, she'll jump off the board too. But
Well,
right now,
I think the
she's
ball
almost
is helping her become less afraid
Yes. Kaya.
because she so wants to get the ball.
Widen her. Come, just exaggerate out. Move yourself. Yeah, that'll encourage the turn. Maybe even a little more, Marty. So you're coming in a little bit at an angle. There you go.
Kind of do what we were doing with Hatch.
Get the ball.
Jump. Yes. So